So in this video, I'm going to share where you should start your home buying process first. Okay, so I've been a realtor for 17 years and I found this first step to be the most helpful place to start for first-time home buyers. This step helps to cut down the overwhelm right out the gate. And if you watch to the end of this video, I would like to share the second step that you need to take that is non-negotiable for a successful home buying process. So here it is. Your very first move should be to find a great real estate agent. This is the person who's going to help you navigate everything from finding the right homes, negotiating offers, and then guiding you through the entire home buying process. I know you often hear that you should get pre-approved first, and there's certainly nothing wrong with going to the lender first. However, here is why it's important to choose a great real estate agent up front as your first step. Because a great realtor does more than just show you houses. They will know the best programs for first-time home buyers and even second-time buyers. They can guide you to the best down payment assistance programs, especially if you need help with your down payment and or your closing costs. Some lenders, you need to know this, that some lenders don't even offer down payment assistance programs or first responder programs. So you want to go with a bank that offers multiple programs, and you want programs that will potentially save you money. So a good realtor will be able to recommend these programs to you. They can recommend respected, trustworthy lenders or loan officers that have the lowest fees and connect you with banks that offer deals that you may not even know about. They already have established relationships with loan officers, home inspectors, appraisers, and closing and title agents, and even attorneys. So when you have a realtor who knows their stuff, they can save you money and time, which is invaluable when you're making such a big purchase. But I don't want you just to settle for any real estate agent. Look for someone who knows the area well and who has a strong track record with working with buyers like you. Start by asking friends and family and coworkers for recommendations. Then after that, interview a few realtors to see who you click with. You want someone who listens to your needs and then understands your goals for your home buying process or the home that you're trying to buy. Okay, so right now, if you are serious about buying a home in 2025, I would like to invite you to hit the subscribe button. This way, you'll get all of these home buying tips and advice to show up right on your homepage each time you go to YouTube. I don't want you to miss anything because my mission is to be your virtual realtor, to make it easier for you to understand and to prepare for your home buying process. So if you feel like I can help guide you, then go ahead and subscribe and then turn on your notifications, okay? So here's step number 2. That is a non-negotiable. You do have to go to the lender to get your pre-approval. So once you've found a great realtor, they're going to help you connect with a lender to get you pre-approved for your mortgage. This is a critical step because it gives you the clear picture of your budget and it shows the sellers that you're a serious buyer. The great news is that applying for your loan is so quick and easy, friend. You can do it nowadays online in just like 10 to 15 minutes. So during the application process, the lender will pull your credit report and then they may ask you for your last 2 pay stubs to verify your gross income and then any additional income that you may want to include. This information helps the lender to determine how much you can afford. So here's what you can expect from the lender. The lender will review your financial information, including any debts and assets, to provide you with an accurate pre-approval amount. Once pre-approved, you'll receive a pre-approval letter that states how much you're eligible to borrow. This letter is crucial when you start making offers on homes because sellers want to see it, and it shows the sellers that you are serious and you are prepared and you have the ability to buy their home. So if you're ready to get started, find yourself a trusted realtor first. He or she will get you connected with a trustworthy loan officer, and then you'll get their pre-approval letter. From there, the process will start to flow. You'll be one step closer to owning your new home. Now, if you have any questions about this video and you need more guidance, then just drop a comment below and I'm happy to help you out. Okay, so see you on the next video get to shopping for or looking for your great real estate agent. And if you live in Central Arkansas, then please contact me. I would love to work with you.